Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. This is an enormous box from Asha Noodles. They make Taiwanese dry noodles. They've got a whole bunch of different lines and tie-ins and collaborations. And yeah, this is some of their newest stuff. So let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, wow. So these guys don't screw around, folks. When they send samples, they send like cases of samples. So let's take a look at everything. All right, so first off, we've got this. These are the Hot Ones bowls, and we'll start off with their Taiwanese tingly pepper. I haven't tried this yet. I've had the cups, and they were really good. And let's see, how do I break into this? For once, I am confused on how to open a box, but I will figure it out. I assure you, I'm not seeing, is that the line? That's got to be the line, unless I just made that line. This is the Taiwanese tingly pepper. Okay, this is a mild one, so I'm guessing this has some Szechuan peppercorn in it. I guess we'll see. Next up is the sizzling chili garlic. As you can see right, there's my finger. Medium heat, that is what this one is. Sizzling chili garlic. And this one sounds really good. They had a garlic one, I believe, in the cups. That I like the cups too. Yeah, we'll give this a try. And finally, we have the Hot Ones. This is the hottest of the bowls. This is the fiery hot tonkatsu, and this one piques my curiosity most because I'm a big fan of tonkatsu, and I'm very curious how this is going to be. But yeah, rest assured I'll be doing these soon. Although usually when I do a review of something, I'm so far ahead that it doesn't come out for about 6 months. But we'll see. We'll see on these. So yeah, fiery hot tonkatsu. Very cool, thanks. And we got one more. This fascinates me. Yes, beef noodle soup. Beef noodle soup is considered one of the, it's like the signature food of Taiwan. If you go to Taiwan and you don't end up having some beef noodle, that's kind of tragic. I wouldn't say that beef noodle was my favorite thing I had in Taiwan. I had so many different things at night markets, and gosh, there's a lot of different really, really good food in Taiwan. But beef noodle soup is really good. Obviously, you're not going to get actual beef in this unless you're in Taiwan, and you can get a Taiwanese beef noodle there. You can get instant ones there. But this is an export version, so you can't import beef from Taiwan here. That being said, yeah, this looks interesting. I am very, very curious about this. Wow, well, check that out. That's a lot of bowls and noodles. And yeah, I can't wait to try these. These look really interesting. Yeah. All right. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. I know you can, I've heard at least, I haven't seen them, I don't go there very often, but I think you can find these at Target. I'm sure you can find them all on their website at ashadrynoodle.com. I think that's their website. Here's the link, but for the actual website, if that's not it. But yeah, cool. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.